USA, Southwest. This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning device for station KIH-28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas near the city of Philadelphia, in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. In New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem. In Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, including Upper Delaware Bay. And in Maryland, Cecil, including Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KIH-28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Chesapeake Bay North.
Hey guys, it's me, EASManifoldWX, and today we're going to possibly get 4 Audacy or Audacity optional weekly tests for their time, and we're getting very close to their test time, without about 1 minute. This is another Audacy or Audacity station, but I'm not sure if it will relay, so they should start relaying in a minute. This one that one's B101. That's big 98.1. That one's 1210 news. Okay. That one's not relaying.